everybody. Welcome to yet another episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. Now, I'm sure you've been following the wonderful episode in the series that is going. We've got 5 episodes that is on our episode. We can see each team that is rising and is actually incredible. Today, we got 2 teams who are going to be battling out and we've amazing trophies for these teams. Let me also check that the winning team, yes, they get themselves a trophy and they get a chance to be associated with our brand Andropic. Now, as you all know, Andropic is not Mumbai's or Maharashtra's or Delhi's, but India's #1 all-natural testosterone booster. Yes, it is something that is needed for every man after the age of 25. But getting back to our game, we got 4 different activities that's going to happen here today. As you all know how the format of the game works, it's going to happen in that way. And yes, all the teams are ready. 2 teams are ready to battle out. So without me wasting any time, let me introduce you to the game once again for people who are watching the video for the very first time. The first activity we have is going to be a kettlebell swing. We're going to be giving them a kettlebell of 12 kilos. And all they have to do is have maximum kettlebell swings in 5 minutes. And again, we're going to be recording how many swings happen in the time span of 5 minutes. The second event is going to be tire flip, in which the athlete has to flip the tire maximum number of times in a time span of 5 minutes. We're going to be counting the number of flips in 5 minutes. Now, the third game is going to be really interesting. We're going to have 2 athletes, each athlete of every team standing face to face, holding a plate of 10 kilos in their hand, parallel to the floor. And yes, they're going to be doing it at the same time. If, for example, they hold the plate for 60 seconds, that's 1 minute, they have 60 points added to their entire score sheet. Now, what happens is, if you've seen a couple of the previous episodes, there's always something called a game changer that we put onto it. And yes, the game changer, as we all know, is the deadlift. What happens is the deadlift, every athlete that comes who's going to be doing a deadlift of 1.5 body weight. If an athlete coming who's 60 kilos, he does a deadlift of 90 kilos. Maximum deadlifts in 5 minutes. Now, the only twist of the deadlift or the game changer is that each deadlift that he does, he gets 5 points for 1 deadlift. That's how each team has a chance of getting the higher number of score. And one more thing, this is going to be the 6th episode, and after the end of the 7th episode, we are going to have a grand finale. 2 of the best teams who've competed so far in the Andropic Army Hunt is going to compete face to face for the grand finale, and it's going to be incredible. But yes, we've got 4 teams who is yet to be competing in the Andropic Army Hunt. So let's see which team gets to be victorious today. So without me wasting time, let me introduce to you the 2 teams who are going to be competing right here in the Andropic Army Hunt. Okay, so before I introduce to you the teams, I'd like to thank our venue partners. If you got Warrior Fitness, I'd like a big thank you to Mr. Abdul and Mr. Sachin for giving us such an amazing venue for having this event. So a big thank you to Mr. Sachin and Abdul from Warrior Fitness. But now it's time to introduce to you the 2 teams who are going to be competing head-on at the Andropic Army Hunt. We have Warrior Fighters and we have a Warrior Squad. So we've got these 2 teams who are going to be competing against one another. In Warrior Fitness, we have Prasad, Mihir, and Aditya. And they'll be competing against Warrior Squad. We have Manoj, Suraj, and Pankaj. So before we go ahead, any message for the opponent team? Both the teams are ready to fight. They're going to bring in their best package ever. Let's see what happens in the first event of today. That's going to be the tire flip. We're going to be starting off with the tire flip. We got Prasad here and we got Manoj here. And we've got Prasad here who's going to be from the Warrior Fighters and the Warrior Squad. So toss करेंगे, heads or tails. Who's going to be calling? Prasad, आप call करोगे? ठीक है? Okay? Head is your call and tails it is. आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो या आप प्रसाद स्टार्ट करें? So Prasad is going to be starting off with the first event of the tire flip. Are you ready, Prasad? Okay, in position. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Maximum flips in 5 minutes. You got Prasad here. Let's see how well does he do in the Andropic Army Hunt. Come on. Very well. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. रुकना नहीं है. चलो, very good. Very good. Come on. आराम से keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Come on. Very good. Keep going, Prasad. Keep going. Keep going. Very nice. Come on. 3.5 मिनट बाकी है. 3.5 मिनट. 40 flips done. Come on. Very good, very good. Forty-four reps done. 2 मिनट बाकी है. 2 मिनट बाकी है. Come on. क्या बात है? Come on. Very good. ब्रेक चाहिए तो ब्रेक लेना. 40 seconds remaining. 40 seconds remaining. क्या बात है? Come on. चलो, last 5 seconds remaining. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 72 flips in 5 minutes. That is really, really amazing, Prasad. Good job, good job. Good job, man. Very well. Superb, superb. I will talk to him once he's done. But thank you very much. We're going to go ahead and call the next athlete. जीतने के लिए 73 reps चाहिए. Are you guys ready? I am ready. So let's have the second athlete join us right here, right in front. From the Warrior squad, we have our athlete who's ready. कितना चाहिए आपको जीतने के लिए? 73. Confident है? कर पाओगे? Okay, let's get into position. Okay, let's get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. आराम से. Maximum flips. Come on, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Nice and slow. Superb. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Come on. Come on. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Come on. Very nice. Superb. Come on, let's flip. Very good, very good. Come on. 37. 38. Come on, you can do it. 39. Very good, very good. Wow, come on. Come on. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Very good. Same pace continue कीजिए. आराम से जीतिए. आराम से. Same pace. Very good. Come on. Come on. You got 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. आराम से जाएगा. आराम से. 67, 68. Come on. 69, 76, 10 seconds remaining. Come on. आखिरी के 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. आपके टीम को लीड के लिए आपको चाहिए था 73, पर आपने 79 मारा. So we've got Warrior Squad in the lead. Yeah! Super. Let him take a break. Let him get back. Let him get back. Let's go ahead with the second event. That's going to be the kettlebell swing, and we're going to have that as soon as you remove the tire from the activity area. Thank you. Okay, we're now with the second activity. It's going to be the kettlebell swing. We got Pankaj right here from the Warrior Squad, and we got me right here from Warrior Fighters. So before we go ahead, आपको गेम मालूम है, लेकिन हमें ये जानना है कि स्टार्ट करेगा कौन. तो टॉस करेंगे. Who's going to be calling? आप कॉल करोगे? Tails is your call and tails it is. आप स्टार्ट करना चाहते हो? पंकज आप स्टार्ट करोगे? All the very very best. Let's get it in. Maximum करना आपको in 5 minutes. Are you ready? Okay. Going to be starting off in the next 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Superb. Very nice. Keep going. Come on. There's no stopping. There's no stopping. Continue with the same form. No giving up. 5 seconds remaining. You're doing very well. छोड़ना नहीं बिल्कुल भी. 40, 41. Very good. Come on. Nice. 58, 59, 60. Very good. Come on. 90. Come on, very good. Shabash. Very nice. Chal 100. Yeah. Shabash. Shabash. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 31. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? 131. Not bad यार. कैसा लगा? हाँ. Exhaust. But very good. 131 is what you did. 131 reps. Not bad at all. Let's see how his opponent actually does. Come on, can we have the opponent to join us? Mir. Okay, so now we have come to where you come on stage and you have to make your team victorious. We've got Warrior Squad, जिनका अभी total score हुआ है. Warrior Squad का total score हुआ है 210. And आपको आपके टीम को लीड में लाने के लिए आपको 138 minimum reps मारने हैं. Are you ready for it? Super. Okay. So let's get in position. Take hold of your kettlebell. In position. In 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. Come on. Superb. Very good. Keep going. Very nice. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Come on. Let's go. Very nice. 7, 49. Come on, very good. Let's not stop. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Don't stop. Keep moving. Keep moving. 77, 79, 80, come on, 81, 83, 95, 96, 97, 100, yeah. 2 minutes remaining, 2 मिनट है, 2 मिनट है तुम. 6, 5, 6, 7, 117, 118, 19, 120. काउंट नहीं कर रहे, आप नीचे नहीं बैठ रहे, नीचे बैठना है. स्क्वाट, स्क्वाट डाउन. काउंट नहीं कर रहे, काउंट नहीं कर रहे हम. 15 सेकंड बाकी है. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1. क्या हुआ आपको? नहीं, स्क्वाट्स का थोड़ा तो टाइट हो गया मसल, आगे नहीं जा पाता. बट यू डिड अ वेरी वेरी गुड जॉब. फैबुलस टिल द वेरी एंड यू फॉट यार. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. शाबाश. थैंक यू वेरी मच. So 124 is what how many reps actually happened when you're supposed to do 138 to take his team to victory. But let's all wait and watch. अभी तो गेम तो खत्म नहीं हुआ है और आगे जाना बाकी है. देखते हैं क्या होता है in this third round. That's going to be the plate hold. Okay, so we have Pankaj and Mihir, am I right? And they're going to be competing against one another for the activity of the plate hold. Game simple है, plate उठाना है, parallel to floor पकड़ना है, and that's about it. छोड़ना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. जितना सेकंड के लिए आप प्लेट को पकड़ोगे, उतना पॉइंट्स आपके टीम को मिलेगा. Are you ready? Okay, please take hold of your plates, get in position. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, plate goes up. And hold it parallel to the floor. No leaving it. Just start हुआ है. Come on. Yeah. Doing very well. छोड़ना नहीं. छोड़ना नहीं. 15 सेकंड हो गए. 15 सेकंड छोड़ना नहीं. Pankaj, very good. Very good. Very nice. Come on. Yeah. 28 seconds. Come on. Yes. छोड़ना नहीं. बिल्कुल भी नहीं छोड़ना. छोड़ना ही नहीं. Okay, 38 seconds में छोड़ दिया. 47 and if I'm not mistaken 38. I'll just confirm it with my team. Don't worry, but I think both of you did a very good job. एक बार can we make some noise for them here? You guys did a fabulous job. You can go back with your team. I'll come up with the final scores as of now at the end of the third round, and we'll see what exactly is going to happen in the game changer right here at the Andropic Army Hunt. Okay, now we're here with the final activity of the Andropic Army Hunt, or the final sport event of the Andropic Army Hunt. Warrior Squad, the team Warrior Squad is actually in the lead. The total is 254, and Warrior Fighters 234 is what their score is. So you guys are in the lead very well. लेकिन आप दोनों का बॉडी वेट सेम है. वेट लगा हुआ है 100 किलोस. आपको फॉर्मेट पता है कि आपको मैक्सिमम डेडलिफ्ट्स मारने हैं in 5 minutes. तो we're going to have a toss. Who's going to be calling? आप कॉल करोगे, ठीक है? Heads is the call and tails it is. आप जाना चाहते हो या you want him to go first? तो ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. आप फर्स्ट जा ही रहे. एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ, आपका टीम 19 पॉइंट्स के लीड में है. राउंड फिगर देखा जाए तो आपका टीम 4 डेडलिफ्ट्स की लीड में है. बट डोंट टेक इट कैजुअली. ओपोनेंट को हमेशा कम नहीं सोचना चाहिए. यू आर गोना गिव योर 200. ओके, सो लेट्स गो अहेड एंड गेट रेडी फॉर द फाइनल इवेंट राइट हियर एट द एंड्रोपिक आर्मी हंट. Okay, so we have Suraj here who's ready, and your team is already in the lead. Are you ready for it? 5 minutes down. Give it your best. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Superb. Okay. 1. Keep going. 2, 3, 6. Very nice, very nice. Come on. 7. Suraj, you have 4 minutes remaining. 14. 14. Superb. 19. 19. 20. 20. Come on. आराम से, come on. Come on. 15 seconds. So many. Very good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. 28 reps in 5 minutes, man. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Very good, very good. Superb. Did a very, very good job. 28 reps in 5 minutes. Yani ki, you know how much the other opponent team needs to win? I will tell you. Okay, Aditya. आपको स्कोर बोल के कुछ फायदा नहीं. आपको सिर्फ ये बताऊंगा मैं कि आपको जीतने के लिए, आपके टीम को जिताने के लिए आपको मिनिमम 32 रेप्स मारने हैं टीम को जिताने के लिए. बाकी स्कोर और छोड़ दो, सिर्फ 32 मारना है. Are you ready? Okay, get in position. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Very good, very good. Very good. 6. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. Very good, very good. Come on. 28. 28. Come on. Come on. 38. आदित्य, अभी सुनिए. जीतने के लिए 2 मारने हैं. ओवरऑल चैंपियनशिप जीतने के लिए आपको जितना मारना आप मार सकते हैं. आपके पास है और 2 मिनट 15 सेकंड. Yeah. 41. एक और रेप मारना है जीतने के लिए. एक और रेप मारना है. फोकस है. 1 minute 30 seconds remaining. जीतने के लिए चाहिए था 32 रन, लेकिन आपने मारा है 35. कैसा लग रहा आपको? बहुत अच्छा लगा. Superb. Let him just get his breath back, and we'll all meet you at the presentation. जाइए आपकी टीम के साथ. Thank you. Now welcome to the presentation of episode 6 of the Andropic Army Hunt. I'm already standing here with the gift vouchers for the runners-up, and yes, this beautiful trophy for the winners. But before we call on the runners-up, let me have our guests, what I had to call here at the presentation. Let me have the owners of Warrior Fitness, who's been an amazing venue partner for us, not just for this episode, but for the previous 3 episodes as well. Really amazing human beings. Whenever I call them, they're always ready to communicate and help us out. So may I call Mr. Abdul and Sachin sir to please join us here at the presentation. Can I have you all 2 gentlemen please joining in? ताली होनी चाहिए. And we also have 2 very special guests I had to call for the presentation. We got Mr. Patil and Mr. Shivale to please join in the presentation as well. Can I have you gentlemen? Please आइए. So जब हमने starting में देखा था, we had two teams who were competing, Warrior Fighters and Warrior Squad. Warrior Fighters was not doing so well from the very first, second, and third game, but they picked up so well and they actually won the 6th episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. But Warrior Squad was doing exceptionally well in the first, second, and third round, was not able to perform well in the last one, but that's okay. Har game mein, there is always winners and runners up. I'm not going to say losers, I'm going to say runners up because they were really very well. We have our guest at the presentation. May I have the entire team of Warrior Squad to please come up and collect their gift hampers from us. Can we have the team to join us right here? Sir, please hand over the gift hampers to our runners up. Please, आइए. Collect in your gift hampers. Can we make some noise for our runners up? आप लोगों ने starting से एकदम बढ़िया performance दिया, but you all did really very well. Thank you very much. You guys win yourselves goodie bags from Andropic. Andropic, as you all know, is India's #1 all-natural testosterone booster. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You guys did really, really well. Thank you so very much. And now, it's time to call on the winners of this beautiful trophy that we have. The Andropic Army Hunt winner. Yes, this beautiful trophy goes out to the winner. Sir, I want you to hold this trophy for me and hand over the winners. So, without me wasting time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's meet our winners of the Andropic Army Hunt episode 6. Let's meet the Warrior Fighters! Congratulations, please come and collect your trophy. You guys get a trophy and gift hampers from Andropic. Congratulations. Aditya, who did the deadlifts at the end, is actually the person responsible for getting this team victorious. Thank you very much and congratulations. Congratulations. Good job, Aditya. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Patil. Thank you, Mr. Shivale. Thank you, Sachin, sir. As we come to the end of the Andropic Army Hunt episode 6, it's been exciting, it's been fabulous, but I'm still waiting for the grand finale. We are just one episode more we need to show you before we come to the grand finale. Going to be interesting, going to be exciting. It's going to be full of fun. So let's see what happens. But thank you all for watching this episode of the Andropic Army Hunt. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's spread some love, everybody. Thank you very much. I'm Gavin, your host. Thank you all and take care.